everyone. Today I want to share my thoughts about our new president, Pak Prabowo Subianto. So let's talk about it. What do you think about him so far? Honestly, I see someone who really working hard for our country. He always meeting with another leader and are currently focused on making our economy better. Can you imagine how busy he must be? He often talks about food security, energy programs, where is taking Indonesia. I think he wants to make us independent, which is sounds great. When does he usually make announcement? He frequently updates us during important events. Could you see his dedication? He constantly traveling around Indonesia to check on different projects. He rarely takes a break because there is much work to do. How often does he listen to the people? Actually, quite often. He sometimes meets with farmer, worker, and business owner. Why do you feel I hopefully about a leadership? Because he generally trying to bring people together. He occasionally invites different groups to work with him. Can we support his vision? I think we should give him a chance and see what happens. Who will benefit from the police? Hopefully regular people like us. He regularly working on program and young people's and small business could their programs help in our future. I really hope so. Okay guys, that's my honest opinion about Pak Prabowo Subianto. I'm staying positive and hoping for the best. Let's watching and support our country. So, thank you guys for watching. Hello everyone, my name is Salma Nakia. I will presentation my slide about my thought about our new president Pak Prabowo Subianto. So let's talk about it. Okay, this is my slide. Prabowo Subianto is Indonesia president who has excellent military and political background before being elected. He now is former high-ranking military officer, including service a commander, general, or Kopassus, and commander. Next, Prabowo Subianto's journey to run for president began in 24 when he practical and traditional candidate conferred on Golkar Party. Point one, President Prabowo Subianto is food security initiative. Pak Prabowo Subianto, President Prabowo want Indonesia to produce our own food according to Cabinet Secretariat. He working on making Indonesia independent in rice production. This can help us reduce import. Why this important? Because food security protects our nation. Point two, infrastructure development. What about infrastructure? He is counting successful project from private years. Compass report that roads and facility in remote area will keep being built. He regularly check development program in years quality. Point three, strong defense background. How does military experience help? His background give him knowledge about national security. He understands defense strategy well. This can make Indonesia stronger in the international. He often has the importance of protected or severage. Point four, free nutrition meal, or we can say MBG. Could you imagine children getting free health meal at school? President Prabowo is implementing this program now. The Jakarta Post states that this initiative help improve children nutrition. School usually serve breakfast or lunch to students. This eat, support being and learn. Point 5, economic growth target. What is his economic vision? He started 8% economic growth. According to Reuters, this ambition goal aims to create more jobs. Then government is currently developing policies and actions. Point 6, renewable energy focus. Why does renewable energy matter? President Prabowo support green energy development. This Ministry of Energy confirmed plans for solar and geo-neutral power. Indonesia is transition to clean energy source. This will reduce carbon emission and government constantly monitor environmental process. Point 7, different cabinet selection. Who are the cabinet member? His cabinet include professionals from various backgrounds. Temper for trends that he differs bring different experience. The team is working together on national change. This approach may create better solution. Mini regular coordinates their program. Next point, healthcare improvement. Where will healthcare improvement? He plans to change medical service in rural area. The Ministry of Health announcement program for remote regions. The government is built a new health facility now. This can ensure all Indonesia access quality care. Medical teams sometimes visit isolated village. Next, education reform. How education changing? President Pak Prabowo Subianto support focusing training programs. The Ministry of Education is developing curriculum that match industry needs. Next, digital transformation. Why does the digital transformation matter? The government is promoting digital economic growth. According to an Antara News, President Prabowo encourages research and innovation. Next point is agriculture modernization. How often do farmer economic support? President Prabowo prioritizes agricultural technology. This Ministry of Horticulture is introducing modern farming method. Farmers usually struggle with traditional tools. With new technology can increase productivity, and here regularly meets farmer who tools out provision factors and quality such as the best food production. Okay. Next point, small business support. What about small business? He launched program for micro enterprise business. Indonesia state that creating a cause is important for SMEs. Small business owners need financial support. The government constantly monitor business growth. Could this reduce poverty? Yes. This create economic opportunity. Entrepreneurs, research, training, and monitorship market are expanding for local products. Next point, tourist development. Where is tourist growing? President Prabowo promote Indonesia tourist destination. The Ministry of Tourism is developing new sites beyond Bali. International visitors always appreciate our culture. This can boost economy significantly. Tourists officially frequently of organized formation event. Why this important? Tourists provides jobs for millions. Local communication benefits from visitor spending. Next point, anti-corruption commitment. How does he fight corruption? He support the corruption era Constitutional Commission, KPK. Jakarta Global reports that transparency measures are being implemented. Government officially must follow strict regulation. He often remind me about integrity. Next point is young empowerment. What opportunity exists for young people? President Prabowo is creating young programs nationwide. The TIC News mentioned that scholarship and internship are available. Young Indonesia have a great potential. Here regularly engage with your organization. How often program run? They operation continue throughout the year. This can develop future reader young particles development. Okay. Okay, guys, that's my slide and my presentation about my thought about our new president Pak Prabowo Subianto. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.